Before installing an eSIM, you need to make sure that your iPhone supports eSIMs and it's not carrier locked. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to verify if your iPhone is compatible. The first thing is to verify that your phone supports eSIMs. Click on Settings. Then select where it says Mobile Service or Cellular. Then scroll down and you'll see the option to add an eSIM under the SIMs section. If you see this option that says Add eSIM, that means that your iPhone supports eSIMs. If you do not see this option here, that means that your iPhone probably doesn't support eSIM. According to Apple, iPhones XS and newer will support eSIM. Once you have verified that your iPhone is eSIM compatible, the next step is to verify that your iPhone is not locked to a specific carrier. For that, we'll go back to the settings. This time, we'll select General. And then About. Here, you simply need to scroll down where it says Network, and you'll see that it says Network Provider Lock, no SIM restrictions. That means that this iPhone is fully unlocked and compatible with any eSIM worldwide. Now, if your iPhone would be locked, you would see here something like Carrier Locked or Carrier Restricted. And that means that your iPhone is tied to a specific carrier and you will need to unlock it if you want to use it with any eSIM. If your phone is locked to a specific carrier, don't worry, I will leave a link in the description of this video where I show you how to unlock it in a few steps using UnlockRiver.com, which is a worldwide trusted service that has been unlocking safely and remotely iPhones for more than 12 years. And that's it. Now that you know that your iPhone is eSIM compatible and carrier unlocked, you're ready to get your first eSIM data plan. And if you're looking to buy one eSIM, you can use any provider out there, but I do recommend getting your eSIM from simabroad.com, which is the most reliable service. And they provide coverage in over 200 destinations, and they even have an eSIM that is global. And that means that it supports 137 countries, and you don't need to swap or change a new eSIM. You simply install it once, and your phone should be compatible almost worldwide. The website is called simabroad.com, and you can find all the links in the description down below. So just make sure that your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked before you purchase any eSIM for travel. And that's it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.